A man invented a kind of portable skin just to cover the large birthmark on his face. The skin began to grow wildly, soon sealing his mouth shut. The man picked up a scalpel, cutting the skin again and again. Only then did he suffocate and collapse in a pool of blood. Soon, 10 years passed. His daughter, Xiaoling, received a full scholarship from a university in Singapore. These past years, because of her inherited facial birthmark, she suffered much criticism from others, so she decisively chose to change her environment, going to Singapore to join her aunt. In the house lived another girl her age, named Angela, but due to different culture and environment, Xiaoling found it hard to fit into the family. She attributed all of this to her appearance. Only the homeless man she met on her way to school, who was also ugly, seemed to understand her situation. Fortunately, in university, Xiaoling was an undisputed top student. When the professor learned that she wanted to continue her father's suspicious skin research, he generously said the lab doors are always open for her, but everything must be done under his supervision. Obviously, the professor also had ulterior motives, but Xiaoling, who just started university, could not easily make breakthroughs with only her father's notes. After repeated failures, the professor was thoroughly disappointed in her. He even found a newcomer to replace her. On her way home, frustrated, Xiaoling saw a flyer on the ground and suddenly thought, compared to animals, plants have much stronger self-healing abilities. Under the cover of night, Xiaoling sawed open the botanical garden's chain and sneaked in. She immediately noticed a strange poem flower. Xiaoling cut off a part of the plant with a knife and hurried back to the lab. Using a new formula, she reconfigured the reagent. At that moment, the professor was with his student. No one expected someone would come to the lab so late. Xiaoling endured excruciating pain. Cut a piece of skin from her thigh, then took another piece from a mouse and attached it to the wound. As the pink reagent was injected, the skins from two different species quickly fused together. Seeing the experiment actually succeed, the professor told the student to stay quiet, and he walked out. The student, unaware of the situation, saw their awkward positions and thought Xiaoling, like herself, was also a girl trading her body for grades. She took a photo. Burning with jealousy, she left the room. Pretending to be friendly, she offered to walk Xiaoling home after they left. The professor noticed Xiaoling had forgotten her notebook, so the student took photos of every page. Angela, who was about to go home, suddenly received the image. She was furious. Her mother always told her to learn from the outstanding Xiaoling, but never expected that Xiaoling had already sold her body. Angrily, she told her mother, but her mother thought she was just jealous. Scene changes. The student drove to the mountaintop. When Xiaoling looked confused, the student maliciously mocked her looks and warned her to stay away from the professor. Then drove off. Xiaoling wiped her birthmark hard as if it was the source of all her pain. Even though deeply wronged,